Now we are seeing that in June 2025, the average temperature of the Mediterranean Sea is 3 to 6 degrees greater than what is normal for this time of year. The marine life is in equilibrium with the conditions, temperature, salinity, everything. Once one of these factors changes, in our case the sea surface temperature, some species will not be able to reproduce or survive in these conditions, especially in increasing temperatures. If we don't stop it, the temperature will continue to increase and we will move towards the worst case scenario that is right now simulated for year 2050 and 2100. It will not be good for either the life in the Mediterranean, of course, for us humans as well.